Good morning, guys! I'm gonna cook lunch because it's already lunchtime. Katapos ko lang maligo. Pero sinuot ko ulit yung pajamas ko because I'm gonna be in my pajamas all day today. Kasi walang ganap today. Wala kaming plano lumabas. It's Monday din naman. Pero, yeah, I'm gonna cook this skinless beef longanisa. We got this from the Asian store that we went to on, was it Sunday? Yeah, I think so. On the weekend or Saturday. I forgot. Basta. And I already have my rice ready. And oh, by the way, I got a package today. The case that I ordered already arrived. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. I got this from eBay. I like the color of the hardware. Parang gold na, parang vintage whatever. And yeah, meron din siyang strap na kasama. Nasaan na yung strap? Right here. Here. And oh, I received another note today from Dan sa lapi ko. Have a great Monday, babe. XOXO. He's really sweet. So yeah, nandito yung strap. So pwede mo siyang ilagay dito sa gilid and then suotin mo siya sa iyong laeg. Okay, yan yung lunch ko. Sunog siya, pero I like it like that. So yeah, kain tayo. Ang tsaka ng color. I swear, hindi siya ganun katsaka in person. But yeah, kain tayo! Nakakainis, nakatulog ako. Ay, naiinis ako pa nakakatulog ako sa hapon kasi mahirapan ako matulog sa gabi. Hindi ko planano at all. Pero siguro because the weather was really good na nakahiga lang ako sa couch. I was watching a video. And, ayun, nakatulog ako. Kakagising ko lang. Kakaloka. Anyway, I'm just gonna have snacks. Look at you guys. So we have this. Na-open ko na siya. Clover. Tapos itong Johnny's popcorn na caramel. Na-open ko na rin. And I also have in here yung Pringles na na-open ko na rin. Kasi sobrang sarap nito. So ito na lang kakainin ko. Yummers! Kain tayo. My foot died.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, babe.
Oh, just asleep, not dead. This foot right here. Oh well, I'm gonna start cooking. I will be cooking this taco meal that I still do not know what to call it. I already have some stuff in here. Na slice ko na yung onions, tomatoes, and then what do you call that? Lettuce. So, ooh, my foot. Okay, so first thing you need to do is to brown your meat. So you can use whatever meat you like. I'm using beef right here. Nung nasa US pa ako, kasi sa US ko to natutunan itong dish na to. I used turkey then, pero again, you can use whatever meat you like. Mas prefer ni Dan yung beef. So, we're using beef and then i-brown mo lang siya. After mo siya i-brown, lalagyan mo siya ng tubig. Tapos ilalagay mo to. Wala talaga akong sinusunod na kung anik-anik eh. Basta lang parang nawala na yung mga tubig-tubig niya. Saka ko siya lalagyan ng separate na tubig, tapos ilalagay ko yung seasoning. So, kapag ganyan na, wala na siya masyadong juice, lalagyan ko na siya ng tubig. Hindi nga to umabot ng 1 cup eh. Again, depende lang talaga. So, lalagyan ko na siya ng tubig, and then, ilalagay mo yung taco seasoning mo. I'm using the Mission brand. And lalagay mo lang siya lahat dyan. And after ma-reduce na yung tubig, that should be ready. While waiting na ma-ready yung meat ko, I prepare the rest of the ingredients. Char, parang cooking show. Adaba? Anyway, I have here sisis. Yes, you guys, my chips itong dish na to. I usually use Doritos. Doritos is the best, pero hindi ko pa to na-try, so I shouldn't say Doritos is the best kasi hindi ko pa ito na-try. And then I have, again, lettuce. Parang napakita ko na to sa inyo kanina. Tomatoes, onions na dinais ko, sour cream, and then cheddar cheese. Or actually, wala siya nakalagay na cheddar, pero dapat cheddar cheese. But that's okay. And then I'm gonna show you guys later how to put everything together kapag ready na ang ating meat. This time, malapit na siya. Okay, so this is ready na. Actually, kanina pa to ready. Kaya lang si Dan may kausap sa phone. So, hindi muna ako nag-vlog. Meron pa rin siyang kausap. Pero pumunta na siya doon. But, yes. So, I already have in here the bowl. Which, meron ng, meron na siyang chips. And parang ano ba tawag doon? Parang brinay ko lang yung chips. So, this is for him. This is for me. And I'm gonna show you guys how to put it all together. So, ito, depende sa inyo kung paano nyo siya gawin. As in, wala siyang order or something like that. But, first things first, you need to put the chips first. I mean, at least for me, kailangan ilagay muna yung chips. Tapos, ilalagay ko na yung meat. So, pagkatapos ng meat, lalagyan ko siya ng cheddar cheese. Kasi, diba, mainit yung meat. So, kapag nilagay mo yung cheddar cheese, parang nagme-melt yung cheese. Kapag nasa meat siya. Oops. Ganun. Tapos, ilalagay mo na itong mga to. So, again, depende na sa inyo yan. And then, I'm gonna show you guys later how it will look like. Tapos, lastly is sour cream. Oh, yummers. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Tapos, imimix ko lang siya. And then, you will see guys later what it will look like. Pero, this is so good. Not the healthiest. Pero, ang sarap. So, ganito yung itsura niya kapag na-mix mo na siya. And you can totally replace the chips with like taco shells kung ayaw nyo ng chips. But, suggest ko, try nyo yung chips kasi masarap siya. Ooh, dark.
Can't see nothing, babe.
Yeah, they can't see. We're walking. We look like gangsters. No, you can't really see. I'm wearing a beanie. He's wearing a beanie. Later, you will see us later. One sec. Ooh, I think that's better. It's very yellow.
Yeah, they can see.
Yeah, they can see you. Gangster. We would just get coffee. It's how many minutes away? 20 minutes away, I think? 15?
I don't know, it takes me 25 to add tonight. It's about 30.
Oh, so it's a 30-minute walk. So it's gonna be 1 hour back and forth. We just want to burn the chips that we had today for dinner. So cold. I have my gloves on. We're here, Italiano. This is the same restaurant that we went to the last time we walked here, but it was closed because it was under renovation, and they changed the name. So yeah, we would just have coffee. It looks really busy. We have our coffee. I have this is the cafe latte and an almond biscuit. So small.
Delicious,
I have never waited that long for the coffee. It took them so long. We took orange from that tree. There's a lot of oranges on the ground, so he got one. We don't think it's ready though, but it smells good. Oh wow, we're almost there. This is where I always go, the Romeo's Foodland. And the fruit and veg is right there. I'm gonna look for a voucher because we will have dinner out tomorrow. So, we'll see. This voucher, malapit na siya mag-expire. So, kailangan kong pumili ng voucher. Sobrang dami pa, oh. And malapit na siya mag-expire. Meron siyang bagong voucher book na valid this year. So, mag-expire siya next year pa. Pero this one, like so many vouchers, you guys. So I'm gonna choose a restaurant for tomorrow. Like, what do you want, babe? Asian, Italian, Indian, whatever? You don't care? He's going to clean the fish tank. Oh, look at Ube. Look at Ube, guys. Ube, are you okay? Oh my gosh. That's fine, Ube. Okay lang yan, Ube. Para lang yung ano, tsunami.
Can you do me a favour, babe?
Sorry?
Can you do me a favour?
Yeah.
So, behind the TV, I need you to switch your PowerPoint off.
Which one?
Alright, the one on the far right.
Ube's here for now. He's now cleaning the rock. I think that's the last one. That should be the last one. And then put clean water in. And then it's ready for Ube. Good morning, guys. Ang tsaka ko. I just finished preparing his lunch. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung lunch niya. Ang laman nito is yung chicken with talong with capsicum, tapos corn, tapos ano to? Ano ba yan? Onions, and then tomatoes. So yeah, that's his healthy lunch for today. And then I'm gonna prepare his coffee. Hi guys, excuse my face. Excuse my face, my god. I have my coffee. And then I have my skyflakes. Umalis na si Danny siguro mga 30 minutes ago. I just made the bed. Tapos, yeah, nag-prepare ng coffee. Oh, meron nga palang nangyari kagabi. I accidentally deleted a comment. Yung nag-comment siya na parang ano ba yun? Hindi ko na alam yung yung mga exact words na kinoment niya eh. I was gonna respond, tapos na-delete ko siya, nakakaloka. Parang sabi, parang hindi daw natural ako kapag kasama ko si Dan, kapag nagva-vlog ako. Yeah, minsan, I don't think it's hindi natural daw. Kasi, porque hindi ka komportable, doesn't mean na hindi na natural. Like, doesn't mean na hindi na ikaw yun. Diba? Nung una, sobrang hindi talaga komportable. Kasi, alam mo naman yun. Wala ngang social media. Tapos, ikaw dyan, nagsasalita mag-isa sa camera. So, parang weird na naman. And, yeah, awkward. And, nakakatuwa lang kasi napansin nyo talaga. Sorry kung na-delete ko yung comment mo. Hindi ko sinasadya. I'm not sure kung ano gagawin ko today. I think I'm gonna film a video. Lalabas kami mamaya, pupunta kami sa ano nga ulit yung restaurant na napili namin. It's not, parang restaurant or pub ata to. Meron siyang voucher na may expire today. Pasatempo Cafe. So, pupunta kami dito tonight. Meron siyang maraming vouchers na pinapili niya sa akin. Tapos, yung iba, hindi ko bet yung mga food. So, yun yung pinili ko. They have pasta. So, I'm gonna have pasta. Alam niyo naman ako. Yummers na yummer sa akin yung pasta. So, yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy my coffee. And maraming nagsabi na napapa-whipped cream na din sila sa coffee nila. O, diba ang sarap? Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Hi guys! I'm watching Trisha Paytas. So, siya yung maingay. Wait, pause mo. Oh, shoot! Naklik ko yung ibang video. Anyway, I will be applying mascara. Katapos ko lang mag-apply ng face makeup. So, yep, that's what it looks like right now. And then I'm gonna be using, for the first time, the Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal Mascara. Ito yung binigay sa akin ni Kath. Thank you, Kathy. So, ito try ko siya. Oh, by the way, may na-receive akong text hindi ko pa na-open. Pero sabi niya parang iniba niya ata yung YouTube channel niya. So, if iba yung YouTube channel niya, I will leave the link below. I need to, you know what? I will read the message right now. Hindi ko pa kasi na-open kasi may ginagawa ako kanina. Oh yeah, so meron na siyang bagong URL. I hope it's the same channel though. Yeah, looks like it is the same channel. Parang nag-iba lang ng URL. So, I will leave her channel link below. Itatry ko tong mascara na to. Oh my gosh, you guys, you need to see this. Ooh, you need to see this kasi diba, ang ganda ng lighting. Sobrang ganda ng lighting. It is this lamp right here, which I'm gonna feature in a haul later on. This is it right here. Can you see how beautiful that is? That is from gearbest.com. And I'm pretty sure I have a code for you guys para makasave kayo ng, I do not know how many % off. But yeah, basta makakasave kayo if you use my code. This is free shipping as well. Like, look at that. Isn't that really nice? So, sobrang ganda niya. And gusto ko din na ganyan yung color ng lighting niya. Tapos, there's more, you guys. You can do it like that. So, diba? Pwede siyang lamp. Kasi you can press this light bulb right here. And then it will light up. So, it can be a lamp. And then, it can be a lighted mirror like that. Isn't that really pretty? I really enjoy this. And, uy, ano ba? And, yeah. So, kapag naliligo ako, nilalagay ko dito yung mga jewelry ko. Kasi, inuhubad ko lahat ng jewelry ko kapag naliligo ako. Nandito pa rin to kasi nabuhol ko na naman siya. Nakakaloka. See, nabuhol yung gilid. And, tinamad ako na kaya wala akong necklace for, I think, 2 days now. Kasi tinatamad ako. Paglagay ko dyan, pagkuha ko sa kanya, nabuhol siya. So, yeah. And dito ko rin nilalagay yung yung camera ko kasi nagaganyan ko siya. So, dyan ko nilalagay yung camera ko para maka-film. So, ito hindi naka-on yung lighting. I will turn it on. And it will change. Like, diba? Ang ganda niya. Maganda siya. Pero, yeah, anyway, na-curl ko na yung aking lashes. I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah, you can see that. I'm just gonna apply this mascara. Ooh, look at that, you guys. Interesting yung shape na to, ha? Bongga to. Ay, nice! Sobrang curl yung lashes ko, guys. Can you see that? Wow! Wow, that's really nice. One coat lang yan, ha? Lagay natin sa kabila. Sana may ganito si Kathy. Kasi binigay niya sa akin to, diba? Kasi hindi pa niya nagamit. Now, hindi ko sure kung nakagamit na siya ng ganito. Or, ito yung first one niya. Tapos, binigay niya sa akin. Nakakaloka. Ay, perfect! Nice! I like that. I really like that. Yung pinaka-favorite na mascara ko from Maybelline is the Falsies. Ito yung, as in, paborito ko talaga. As you guys can see, meron akong bago. Hindi ko pa siya na-open. And I think siguro pangatlong tube ko na to. And I just keep repurchasing this because I really enjoy this. Pero this one is really good as well. That's really nice. I'm just gonna add one more coat and then I'm good. On my lower lashes, I'm gonna apply a different mascara kasi mas komportable lang ako na maliit yung one for my lower lashes. Oh my gosh, you guys! Sobrang ganda naman ito. Look it. Diba? Bongga yung lashes ko dito. Gusto ko yung formula niya kasi dry. Nasa dry side yung formula niya. And then on my lower lashes, I use as usual my Idol mascara. Meron akong review nito eh. Sobrang mura lang nito. 50 pesos lang. Gusto ko siya gamitan sa lower lashes kasi maliit yung wand niya like that. It's just mas convenient talaga. Okay. My face is done. Wala pa akong lipstick. Hindi ko alam kung anong pipiliin ko. Pero I'm gonna see you guys later. I-off ko yung camera ko kasi baka malubat na naman. I need to film a haul pa. So, see you later. Hi guys! Katatapos ko lang mag-film. And I reached 24K today. Oh my gosh! As in, 24 talaga. Exacto. Exacto talaga, oh. Focus! 24,000 subscribers! Saktong-sakto talaga. Thank you, guys! You guys are the best. 24K na kayo. Nakakaloka kayo. Anyway, the video that's gonna be up tonight is my favorites video. So, I hope magustuhan nyo yun. And, yeah, iligpit ko lang tong mga to. I need to put this bad boy in the laundry. I'm not sure kung anong video yung mauuna. Itong vlog na to or ang haul. Pero, na-feature ko sa haul ko itong mermaid tail na blanket. Oh my gosh. You can't see, pero wait. Tingnan natin kung makikita nyo to. Kasi this is really interesting. This is from gearbest.com. Kagaya nung sa lamp. So, ganito itsura niya. Meron siyang tail na ganyan. Tapos, ipapasok mo yung paa mo dito. Lalo na kapag sobrang lamig, papasok mo yung sarili mo dito. Tapos may tail kang ganap, ganon! Pero ilalagay ko muna siya sa wash kasi medyo mabaho siya. Meron siyang, alam mo yun, parang bagong, yeah, kasi bago siya eh. Na-experience ko na yan sa mga maraming website na kapag pagdating talaga ng mga damit, mabaho, nakakaloka. Lalo na kapag ganito, yung mga knit. Wow. I'm gonna vlog, babe.
Okay.
We're going to the pub again.
Not a pub, we're gonna a cafe.
It's not a pub?
Not a pub.
Oh, we're going to a cafe. We're gonna have pasta. It's gonna be good. Do you remember what's the name of the cafe? I forgot.
I don't know.
Go, car. We're going there. Pasa Temple. But we need to find parking spot first, which is gonna be tricky. Well, it's not gonna be that bad, maybe, because it's not Friday.
Yeah, a lot.
Yeah, so we will be fine. Oops, you got it. You got it, dude. Got our drinks. I have Coke Zero, and then he got lemon bitters.
Lemon?
Lime and bitters.
Lime, and the bitters is the orange.
Yeah, okay. Look at this. This is huge. So I got the fettuccine carbonara. And then he got the beef ravioli. This is huge, you guys. Yummers! Kain tayo. We're home. Kararating lang namin. And we went to, diba, after namin kumain, nakadaan kami sa isang shop na parang meron silang mga China na mga clothing or from Korea. So we stopped by. This is the bag. It's called Ang Paradise. They actually have some good stuff. So I got two. My memory card got full. Pero I was saying, hindi ko muna ipapakita sa inyo kasi i-feature ko siya sa haul. You wanted coffee, babe, right?
Oh yeah, I
Yeah. Anyway. Ano ba? Focus on my face. That's basically it for this vlog, you guys. I'll go ahead and I'll wash my face, and that's basically it for the night. Wala munang good night from Danny Boy tonight kasi napagod na ako bumalik dun. I'll just go ahead and wash my face. I will see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Bye guys. Good night.